6 weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. A beautiful evening underway after warming up today. Finally, big change from yesterday, 18 degrees warmer. And once these clouds go away, though, we're going to have to deal with some fog overnight, so that could be a little bit of a problem for late night and early morning travelers. But right now we've got some high clouds in the area. Otherwise, a beautiful nearly full moon that actually was full about 24 hours ago. Visibilities are good now, except down at Hebronville at 4 miles. But that changes dramatically by midnight. We'll see visibilities dropping to about a mile in many locations and then on into 0 by the time we get to daybreak. So yes, the fog is going to be a problem, and here's why. It's going to get cool at the surface as we see radiation fog forming with the cooling taking place because of the clear skies that will happen, along with that big full moon, which will be nice to see. With the light winds outside, the heat radiates away that built up today in the clear skies, and that results in big-time fog here overnight. So here's the winds. They're barely blowing right now. It will be calm in the morning and light off the land by daybreak. So that's definitely going to be a problem. And then by 5 o'clock tomorrow, they're still light. That means a big warm-up tomorrow. I think we'll see 80 degrees here in Corpus Christi. Here's the dry air aloft, which also helps produce fog at the surface. You can see that in brown right here coming over the coastal bend right now. That's going to give us the clearing skies and aid in the fog formation. The jet stream more west to east than north to south, so that's why we're warming up big time as this area of high pressure builds in. There it is at the surface out in California, and the warm air is poised to come in here tomorrow ahead of this frontal system, which will drag in some cold air from western Canada, and that'll arrive here on Monday of next week. But ahead of it, it'll be warm, and then it'll get windy as the front gets closer. Unfortunately, not much in the rainfall department. So here's the low that caused the clouds yesterday and today. That's moving out. And warm air is moving in along with this ridge of high pressure over us. Here comes the big upper level low that's going to drag the cold air along with the front southward. That happens Monday, and that'll be sitting over the region then for Tuesday and Wednesday, and it'll feel like the holiday season by then. All right, on our clouds and rain forecast, there's the fog in the morning, the sunshine in the afternoon, and then it'll be terrific here on Saturday. Great day to do things outside. 64 degrees now. We'll be dropping into the upper 50s in about an hour, mid 50s by midnight, and end up at 49 degrees. The actual dew point temperature is much higher than that, so we're going to see a lot of fog here tonight. And then it'll burn off, and it'll be in the 70s during the day tomorrow with sunshine and light winds, and we'll end up at 80 here in Corpus Christi. So the NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 49 tonight, 80 tomorrow, 52 and 86 Saturday, 85 but windy on Sunday. So Sunday is not a bargain if you don't like the wind. Mariners, watch out for that. I know, Lee, we talked about that earlier. We go down to 37 degrees eventually by the time the dust settles behind that front here on Wednesday morning. So it's going to get cold behind the front at night, but it'll be pleasant during the day.
All right.